Your smile is one of the first things that people notice. Smile designing is a personalized process which is there to enhance your smile while keeping it utmost natural. And here's how it works. First comes the consultation, wherein your own experience and your own vision, your likes, your dislikes are noted for your own smile. The whole treatment is based on this first consultation. The patient's purview is taken into consideration. Patient's medical and dental history is also taken into consideration. Second comes the smile analysis, wherein photographs, videographs, x-rays, and digital scans are recorded. This helps to plan the treatment better, to projectile the treatment better. Third comes a digital mock-up. A digital mock-up is given to you without even touching your teeth. You can see or you can forecast what can be the outcome of the digital smile designing. This helps the patient in viewing or visualizing that this is going to be my final smile post smile designing, and this helps you decide whether you want to go for it, whether you want any changes to it. Next comes the phase which is called treatment planning. The treatment is planned as per the patient's expectations and patient's smile analysis that has been done. The smile analysis gives you an outcome whether you are in need of any kind of veneers, or you need any kind of gum contouring, or you need a mix of veneers and crowns, or you need just the alignment of the teeth. Then comes a mock-up or a mock trial, wherein trial is given on top of your teeth. You can call it as a test drive as well. Why? Because that gives you a full visual outcome that this is going to be the final outcome. Then comes the actual treatment phase, wherein the treatment is done, the preps for the veneers are done, the scans are done, and then comes the final phase wherein all your veneers, crowns, or anything, or your gum contouring is done. So it's not just designing, drawing smiles. It is taking into consideration a lot of parameters: your personality, your facial symmetry, your lips, your gums, your teeth, your soft tissues, and your hard tissues. Everything is taken into consideration, and your own personalized, tailored smile is given to you at the end of the day. The last step is regular follow-ups. Regular follow-ups help you how to maintain it. Smile designing is not just drawing the same smile that you have seen into a celebrity on top of your face. It is designing your smile as per your own personality so that it looks as natural as possible but as enhanced as possible. It gives you the outcome, the smile that you always desired for, a more confident and a more personified smile. So approach your dentist right away. Get your consultations done before you just jump into anything. Just get a consultation, get a smile analysis done. That being the first step, and it helps you a lot. It gives you a projection of what smile suits your face rather than just what you desired for.